Hey there, Twitter marketers. Are you ready to take your social media game to the next level? Are you ready? That's what I'm going to tell you now. If you like to generate more sales in less time, and you want to get results faster, this is for you. If you are really serious about becoming a super affiliate and start your path to making money online, it is the easy way. This is for you. So I'm going to give you this high voltage advanced Twitter marketing course, High Voltage, which is specially designed for 2023. Our course is divided into 4 modules, each focusing on a different aspect of Twitter marketing. Let's take a sneak peek at what you'll learn. 1. Mastering Twitter analytics. 2. Crafting compelling content. 3. Building a robust Twitter community. 4. Advanced advertising and monetization. And if you are serious about affiliate marketing and want to make more money in the future, you need it. Here's to being the most productive you can be. So what are waiting? Pick up the link and start earning today.